Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be unboxing the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jesse James Beads. This one is August, and when it came I was out of town. As you know from my previous videos, I was in Mexico, so I'm a little behind on my unboxing. So this week probably you'll get extra unboxings because like I said, I was out for a whole week and got behind. Anyway, this one is for the month of August. I think the September one is already on the way, so you'll see that one again soon. But let's go ahead and unbox this one. As always, in the description box, I will be posting the link to where you can subscribe to the monthly box. This one is just monthly and it's only one size. You can either do month to month, 3 months, or 6 months at a time. I really like it. The more months you subscribe to, the cheaper the box is. So you get a discount if you subscribe to more than 1 month. And again, this is also not sponsored. I am subscribed and pay for this subscription. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. All right, so let's see what we have. It's called Autumn Woods, and it's again August 2021, so last month's. And it says what's out there. You have all the beads. This is really cute because instead of like listing them, putting out in a list, they give you little designs, so that's really cute. I'm excited to see what's in here. So I'm gonna bring over my little mat. Now that we have our little mat, let's start to pull these out. All right. Ooh, look at this one. So this one is the Who's Ready for Fall. So it's the bead strand. And you've got little, oh look at how cute. There's little owls in brass. And if you hear snoring, that's my dog. I'm filming throughout the day and he loves to sleep all day long. Look at these boho beads. Very cool. I love these strands because you could just, you know, put some wire, some beading wire on it, and you have an automatic lip bracelet without having to sit there and try to figure out what to do, or open them and use the beads separately. But that is the bead strand for this box. Oh no, we have 2 bead strands for this box, it looks like. So we have 2 bead strands for this box, and this one is called Woodfire bead strand. These you get a lot chunkier beads. See, these I would not do a bracelet because I don't like this chunky of a bracelet, but definitely can be on a necklace. If you just vision that, put some wire on here and use it as a necklace, this would be just gorgeous, just like that. So I love that they take that guesswork out. But look at these beads, you guys, and you have some bead caps and some little, this looks like wood, you know, like little discs in here. So very woodsy for sure. So that's the second bead. Then we have this one called Mulled Cider. It's a bead mix. This is a mini mix. So let's check out these goodies and see what's in this little mini mix. Ooh, look at that. Look at how pretty. We've got some pearls, gorgeous pearls. Look at that. Really, really pretty pearls. And then we've got some cage beads. I love their cage beads. And then we've got some ceramic beads. Really cute ceramic beads. And then we have 2 more ceramic beads. These look like those pony beads, but very cute. Oh no, I found one more and one more. Okay, so there's 4 ceramic beads. These are perfect for leather because the hole is big. And then we've got a bunch of little heishi beads, heishi little beads. They're all wood. I can feel that they're made of wood. So I like that yellow. And then we've got these gorgeous frosted round trucks. Look at that, these glass. They're really pretty. And then we have 2 metal round bead spacers. And they have those cuts in there that really give them more of a sparkle when you turn them. And then we have 2 of these faceted rounds. These are not rondelles, they're faceted rounds. Look at that. Ooh! Wants to get away. Very sparkly. I love that. I love all beads. What am I saying? And then we have 4 frosted rondelles. How pretty are those? They're AB, looks like, but frosted. That is so pretty. Beautiful. And then we have 2 of these like little cloth. They almost look like pumpkins. Aren't they cute? Little cloth, little drops or balls. I don't know what to call them, but they are cute. It looks like there's material. It's material wrapped around them. Very cool. And then last but definitely not least, look at these, you guys. Oh my gosh. The finish. No matter which way you look at them, these star round beads. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love those. All right, so, and then we have this moss and fern mini mix. Let's see. Oh no, this is moss and fern bead mix. This is not a mini mix. Almost looks like a mini mix, but I guess we get more beads in this one. Ooh, look at these greens, you guys. Oh my gosh. We got some beautiful drops. Look at these. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I like miniatures. So check out these squirrels and acorns. Oh my God. Is that cute or what? That is adorable. Oh my goodness. So cute. And then we've got some more ceramic beads. We've got 6 of those. Very nice. Again, for leather bracelets. This would make a really cool leather or macrame bracelet. Look, we got 2 square cubes. Very pretty. And then, oh, we got another acorn. Is this one bigger? Yeah, this is a connector. There's 2 acorn connectors. How cute are those? Look at that. That's adorable. And then we've got 4 wood beads. Look at that. Very pretty. Very pretty. Have a lot of personality. And then we have these beautiful lime green drucks, round drucks. They're a little bit frosted, not too much. They're a little bit more on the matte side. They're not very shiny, but they're just beautiful that way. All right, and then we've got these 4 beautiful, what are these? Are these squares or are they, no, these are faceted, like, I want to say hexagon, no, octagons. Beautiful crystal beads. Look at these. Very pretty. Just adds that really touch of sparkle that I love. Then we've got 4 drops. I love these drops. You can make so many things with the drops. Drops are matte. We've got 2 suede tassels, mini tassels. Cute. For some earrings. And then we've got 4 coin shaped, look at this color, champagne AB coined crystal beads. They're faceted or fire polished. Look at that. They're just beautiful. Look at how they sparkle with the light. I just love how they sparkle with the light. Look at that. Just gorgeous. All right. So, and these are the Fallen Leaves bead set. See these. So pretty. Look at these leaves. Oh my gosh. Check these out. They're resin, I believe. Look at that. Wow. And the hole goes side to side on the tip here, so you definitely can use it as a pendant. Really, really pretty. And then we've got one large leaf. Again, gorgeous. Perfect for fall. Then we've got some wood leaves. Look at these. These are really pretty too. I just love this. I just love their boxes. And then we've got some gorgeous maple leaves. Look at that. That's about the only tree leaves I know. Besides ferns. And then some of these. Look at that. These are nice and light. These would be perfect for some earrings because they're super, super light. So that is, I like these a lot. And then we've got some gold longer leaves. Look at that. So pretty. And then there's more. Oh my goodness. This is the red cap mushroom Amanita muscaria. What? Muscaria. There's missing a U here. Amanita muscaria bead mix. Red cap mushroom Amanita muscaria mix. I've never heard of that mushroom. Let's see. Oop. Oh, look at this red. These red ones are just stunning. Oh, we've got one gorgeous red and antique gold, it looks like, pendant or charm. I can't think of the name. And we got a mushroom charm. And then we've got two of these gorgeous red, almost orange red. I love this red. This red is so pretty. Square, faceted squares. So pretty. They're squares. They go through up and down, not diagonal. So those are squares. And then we've got two gorgeous frosted drucks. Again, like an orange red. You can make so many things from this kit, you guys. Wow. Then we've got four shell coated like rondelles. We got a shell finish to them. Look at that. Wow. All right. And then we've got more ceramic beads. I love the ceramic beads. Yeah, look how pretty those are. Some ceramic beads. And then we've got these gorgeous dangly round beads with bead caps already on them. Look at that. Really pretty. And then we've got two itty bitty, itty mini little tassels. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Look at that. They're little tiny little things. And then we have, what are these? Oh, we've got some more red rondelles. Look at those AB rondelles. So pretty. And then we've got some really pretty bead caps. How many of these do we have? There we go. We got all these little cute bead caps. Always can use those in antique gold, or no, these are actually, they look like brass to me. I always have to figure out my metals. There's one more. All right. And then, oh, one more bead cap was in there. Then we've got 2 of these metal spacers. They look like little acorns as well, or little, no, not acorns, those squash that we get every fall. And then we have these itty bitty leaves. Look at how pretty those are. So pretty. They have a hole going through them, up and down. Very pretty leaves. And then we have these frosted glass cone shaped beads. Little cones. Look at that. Love that. Little cone finish to that. I mean, little frosted finish. And last but not least, our little dotted spacers, round spacers. Get 8 of those. So far we've gotten so much, and I think this is so worth the price, you guys. And then we have, I'm not gonna open this because they will go all over the place, but it's cool. We got a pumpkin spice seed bead mix. It looks like they're all seed beads. I love these peach beads. And then we've got some brown ones. And then we've got these gorgeous matte, like mustard color. These are silver lined. And then we've got the gold ones. So very cool mix. Lots to do. And last but not least, we have this amazing, gorgeous, oops, don't drop it, Maria, pendant. Look at this, you guys. It's almost like it's water filled with little floating mushrooms in there. Look at this color. I love natural gemstones, the pendants. All the colors are brown. I am going to take a guess that it's agate. I might have to do a reverse Google image search because I'm not that good yet with my natural stones, but this is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to make something with it. It does have a hole up here, but I'm probably not going to use that. I'm probably going to do some wire work on this baby. So stay tuned for that tutorial coming up. So all these amazing kits are part of the August mystery bead box from Jesse James Beads. There's a ton to work with, you guys. You could spend probably all fall designing with this, or I don't know, most of the fall. But I'm not gonna, as always, I always do a tutorial after opening the boxes, but I am behind, as I've mentioned in my last video, I'm behind in opening my subscription boxes. So right now what I'm doing is just unpacking them for you guys, just doing the unboxing, and then the tutorials will start. So stay tuned for a tutorial using this stone right here and one of these mixes, or a little bit of each one. And for now, let me know what you guys think. Again, all the information to sign up will be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a like so that it brings it to more people. Again, thank you so much for everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. More tutorials to come, more fun wire work. But for now, take care of yourself, be safe, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Bye.